All right, so what I'm going to have you do for this assignment is just get an idea of what kind of taxes in your lifetime you could have to pay. Or if you don't pay them, somebody else in the United States could be paying them. So, first thing you need to do is click here on the link. That's going to take you to the Google Doc that looks like this, has a chart on it. You should not be able to edit this as is, so you need to go up to File, make a copy, and then you can call it whatever you want, and it saves it into your Google Drive, and then you'll be able to edit this. Now, this assignment, you can work with a partner. Nope, I lied. This is an individual assignment. So you need to be working by yourself on this. You need to find 10 examples of 10 different types of taxes that people could pay at some point in your lifetime. All right, so there are 4 columns here. Those are basically the questions you're going to be answering. So the first one is going to be the name of the tax. So example that's given is property tax. That's all you need to put down. Now it could be sales tax, inheritance tax, excise tax, like anything like that. What is the type of tax? If you're not sure, like off the top of your head, you don't know about taxes, you can go to a new tab and you can search taxes in the United States. And if that doesn't bring up a list, then you can get more specific and examples of taxes in the United States. And it's going to bring you up several websites with lists that you can look at. Okay, so that's the first thing. What is the name of this tax? The second question, who pays the tax? If you put down some people, it's going to be counted wrong. I want to know specifically who's paying property taxes. In this case, the only people who pay property tax are people who own property. Okay, if you don't own property, you never pay a property tax directly. Okay, so specifically, who's responsible for paying this tax? The next question is, what is the current tax rate? So you need to know, and you may need to do a little bit more research on this. With the property tax, who gets to set that? Is that a federal tax, a state tax, or local tax? In this case, property tax is a local tax. So we want to know if it is local, we want to know in Huntington County or in your town, what is that tax rate? So you're going to have to go online and you're going to have to do a little bit of research on that. Okay, and you're going to present the rate there. If it's local, tell me that it's local. If it's a state tax, I'm going to let you pick what state you do. So if it's like state income tax, what state do you want to look at? You need to tell me what state it is and what the rate is. If it's a federal tax, give me the tax rate and tell me that it's a federal tax. Okay, so that's for the third one, the tax rate. Be specific in the rate and tell me which level of government taxes that. Okay, the fourth question, what level of government uses the tax dollars? So when property taxes are collected, where does that money go? Who gets to allocate that money to spend it? That would be the local government. So that's all you need to put there. So it'd be local government, state government, or federal government. Okay, or split. So that's all you're going to do. 10 examples. Filling in the rest of the chart here. You cannot use property tax since I already gave you all the answers for that. If you have questions, email me. I can't guarantee I'll be immediate response, but I'll be checking it this afternoon and I can get back to you if you have questions. So again, once you have looked through the PowerPoint, you've taken notes, you've completed the exit slip, you turned it into the tray, you should be working on this assignment here. Again, this is an individual assignment, and if you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you all tomorrow.